Welcome back friends. In this video I will show you how you can make an elegant and eye-catching thumbnail just in PowerPoint. If you are a new visitor, please be sure to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get the notification of every new video we upload on our channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. So making a thumbnail similar to this one in PowerPoint is very easy. If you do not have Photoshop installed on your computer or you do not know how to make thumbnail in Photoshop, you can easily make thumbnails in PowerPoint. So first of all, open a new PowerPoint presentation. Here I have opened a new PowerPoint presentation. So from here, first of all, we need to set the background color of our slide. So for that we have three options. First is that you can set the background color. If you right click on any part of the slide and go to the format background option, and from here you can select any color to apply the color on the slide, and after that if you think this color is fine, you can start making your thumbnail after applying this color. For now I am selecting the white color. The second option is that you can import any image and you can use that image as a background of your slide. So for that there are many websites which offers free pictures, free backgrounds. You can go to any website. I have one of the websites over here which is called pexels.com. You can go to this website. From here you can type background, and after that when you will press enter, you will see these backgrounds in front of you, and from these backgrounds, these textures, you can select any of these and you can download. For example, if I click on this background, I can download this high resolution background. Just click on the free download, and after that you can import this background in your PowerPoint. And if you scroll down, you can see the related backgrounds. You can select any background, and after that you can bring that background into your PowerPoint. So going back to the PowerPoint, and the third option is that you can use the predefined designs of the PowerPoint, and after that you can modify those designs to adapt the background of your choice. For example, if you go to the design option on the top, and from these you can select any design. For example, if I click on this design, and now this design has been applied to my PowerPoint presentation. So what I can do is I can use this portion of the slide as background image of my slide. So what you can do is you can go to the slide master, and from there you can copy it and then you can bring it in the normal mode to modify it. So let's do it. Go to the view option on the top, and after that go to the slide master option, and now on the left side you can see couple of slides over here. Click on the second slide and then right click on this image and click on cut. We don't need this image over here. We will paste this image on our normal mode, but before that we can delete rest of the items from the slide master. So we actually don't need these extra text in our slides. So I'm going to delete these, and after that I will click on close master view to go back to our normal view. So this is our normal view, and over here I will paste the background which we have copied from the slide master. So I will right click here and I will paste it as an image. But as you can see that we have the white area which we need to remove from this image, and for that what we can do, we can use the crop option of PowerPoint to crop the white area of this background. So double click on this image and click on the crop option on the top right corner, and then from these corners crop the image to remove the white outline of the image, and after that click on the crop option again. So now we have cropped the white area, and after that we will resize it so that it covers the entire slide. Alright, now you have the background image ready for your slide, and now you will have options to change color of this image. This is itself a nice looking color. You can keep this color for maybe for future videos, but for now what we can do, we will change the color of this image a slightly different to a different color. For that I will double click on the image, and on the left top corner we have the option of color, click on that option, and after that we can see different color saturations, color tones, and from here we can select any gradient, any color variant from here. For example, if I select the color which is closer to our original thumbnail, so most probably it is this one, and now we are ready to write our text on top of this image. So for that we will go to the insert and we'll click on this text box, and we'll click on here to type the text. So our text was how I made this thumbnail in PowerPoint. So this was our original text. Let's click on the outline and make a larger font, and let's set the color to white for now, and let's change the font to Calibri because the font of our original text is Calibri, and let's make it bold. Alright, let's go back to our original thumbnail and see some fonts and colors so that we can match this to our thumbnail. So the first line, this is our first line, and font is Calibri but size is 115 and it is bold. The second line is this one, again we have the same font but size is slightly different and it is bold. And the third line we have the same font, size is 115 and color is light blue. So let's go back to our thumbnail, and over here now this is our first line and this is our second line. Just press enter to make the 3 lines, and after that we can resize the font size. For this it was 115. Alright, and for the second one it was 166 yellow for that, and the third one was again 115 light blue, this one. Alright, now select all these 3 lines and make these center, and now you can click on the box to adjust the 3 lines in the middle of the slide. And the last step is that you can export your thumbnail in JPG or PNG. For that you can go to the file, save as, and after that from here save as type you can select either JPG format or the PNG format. Once you will select any of these formats, and after that when you will click on save, your thumbnail will be saved in the JPG, which you can upload on the YouTube along with your video. And the second method to export your thumbnail is to use this snipping tool, and once you have the snipping tool of the Windows, after that click on new and then draw the rectangle on your thumbnail, and after that you can just go to the file and go to the save as option to save it as JPG or PNG. So this is how you can make your thumbnail in PowerPoint just in few minutes. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.